Alright guys, let's go ahead and review the Hercules 20 volt half-inch compact drill driver. Now this model here is just a regular drill. They also have the hammer drill, but the one I have is this one here, the regular one. And even though it wasn't a hammer drill, it still worked pretty good. I bought this in October of 2017. It is now March of 2018, so I used it for a couple of months every day. As a satellite technician, I installed a HughesNet satellite internet service Monday through Saturday. So this bad boy was being used Monday through Saturday. And I used it for drilling holes through people's walls to run coax cable. And as you can see, this thing is pretty used, even though I've only used it for a couple of months. So I've dropped it from the ladder, I've banged it, I've dropped it in sand, and man, it just keeps going. The battery does last a long time. Right now I have it charged all the way. It lasts a long time. Believe it or not, I used it every day almost, and I would charge it every 3 to 4 days. So you could, I guess you can say each one of those bars lasts 1 day. The only setting that I was using is just the drill setting here. Although I did try some other settings. Since I was drilling through people's walls, like I said, I always had it at the 2 setting. It's got a lot of RPM, man. This thing has power. Turn it the other way. It's got power, man. And of course on the 1 setting, it's a little, you don't want to go too hard with it, put it on the 1. So I really recommend these Hercules drills, man. I know they're from Harbor Freight, and because they're from Harbor Freight, a lot of people, you know, are skeptical about them, but I can vouch for them. I've been using them for a couple of months. They do pretty good. The charger charges really fast. With a dead battery, we charged in about 2 hours. So that is fast, guys. That is really, really fast. And I used a lot of drill bits, actually. The one I used a lot was this one here. You can still see the insulation there from the walls that I was drilling through. And man, this trusty drill bit here worked pretty good. That's on the 1 setting. Put it to the 2 setting. Let's do a quick test. Why the heck not? There we go. Went through pretty good. Pretty good drill, like I said. I really recommend it. I recommend that. The only thing that I can complain about this drill is the belt clip fell on. It came loose on me, which I think is normal. I probably didn't tighten it tight enough. That was it, though. That's the only thing I can think of. It does pretty well. The hammer drill costs about $10 more. I recommend you guys get the hammer drill. It's only $10 more, like I said. Harbor Freight does give you, I think it's a 1-year warranty. So these do have a 1-year warranty. If anything goes bad with them, you could just return them. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or any comments, go ahead and comment on the comment section of the video. And I'll see you soon in one of my other videos.